I don't know that the news of the approval came as a huge surprise to investors. It was clear that the company was working closely with regulators in London. The company had been allowed to operate over the course of the appeals process, so it seemed like the regulators there were sort of amenable to resolving this. Nonetheless, it's clearly a welcome development for a ride-sharing business that could really use welcome developments given the pressure on it from the pandemic. As I said, the company has been operating in London over the course of the appeal, so it doesn't cause our financial forecasts to go up, but it allows investors to kind of cross off a regulatory risk from their list of regulatory worries, if you will. For this company, and I think it kind of shifts everyone's mindset now to really the big looming regulatory risk here in the States, which is the upcoming vote on Proposition 22 and this issue of employment classification for drivers.
Sure, and we'll come to that in a bit, how much of a trigger is that for the stock. But just on the issue of this UK court ruling, this overturn, while I know it may not materially impact the business, but it helps Uber regain some of its lost reputation because of this court case at a time when competition is heating up in that market with India's Ola, Estonia's Bolt, as well as Germany's Free Now.
Yeah, certainly. Look, I think Uber was rightfully in the penalty box, if you will, with regulators in London. There were some well-documented security issues, safety issues. It seems like Uber's address those. You'll see that the approval today came with, I think, a very long list of conditions that Uber has to satisfy on an ongoing basis over the course of this license approval of 18 months. It sounds like the company's learned its lesson, is taking the safety issues a lot more seriously. And we'll see, if that does impact its competitive position or its appeal with consumers and maybe improves their share position in London. So only time will tell on that front.